Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be taking you through this code here, which I asked you to have a look through and see if you could find any errors. Let's go through what this code does. First line, we're setting more is equal to the string y. On the second line, we've got a while loop. So while more is not equal to y, we're going to go through this loop. Ans is equal to input. What is your New Year's resolution? It's asking them what the New Year resolution is. Print. They're going to print that variable there, their input that they put into that variable there. That's a great resolution. And for this input here, do you have any more resolutions? Yes or no? If they enter a yes, we should go through this again and ask them what their New Year's resolution is. If they press no, it should just exit out of the loop and exit the program or exit the code. So let's see where our errors are here. If we actually click on the run button, we'll see that name ans is not defined on line 4. Okay, so we've definitely got some errors going on here. In our first two lines of code, we actually have a logical error here. More is equal to the string y, while more is not equal to y. If y is equal to y, then we're not going to go through this while loop. We actually need to change line 2. So while more is not equal to n, because if they put the letter n in, they don't have any more New Year's resolutions. We want to exit out of the loop. So that's our first logical error there. Our second error we're getting on line 4 when we actually ran the program. And the reason here is just a simple indent. We need to indent that code to the right hand side. So while more is not equal to n, answer is equal to input. What is your New Year's resolution? They're going to put in their answer here, in the input here, and we're going to print that input. So ans is the same here, ans is the same here, and say that's a great resolution. Again, on line 5, we want to figure out if they do have any more New Year's resolutions. So we need to indent that code to the right hand side again. And I've also spotted an error here. Mores, this is actually a spelling mistake. So we've got mores instead of more. More is equal to input. Do you have any more resolutions? And we're expecting the user to type in the letter Y or the letter N. When they type in the letter Y, it's going to go through this loop again because Y is not equal to N. If they type in N, then N is equal to N, and we exit out of the loop. Let's run this Python code again. Let's see what happens. What is your New Year's resolution? To be more organized. To be more organized. That's a great resolution. Do you have any more resolutions? Let's say yes. What is your New Year resolution? So it's going back through the loop and asking us the same question again. What is your New Year resolution? To eat more healthy food. Again, to eat more healthy food. That's a great resolution. Do you have any more resolutions? Let's click on N for no, and our program should exit, and it does. So all of our code is working absolutely fine. We've successfully found all the errors, and we've successfully edited all the errors out so that our code now works. If you wanted to, you could also expand this code and have it run in some subroutines, for example. Maybe have a go on the website. That's it for now though. Thanks very much for joining me. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you found this useful. It really helps us out. Thanks very much for now. Goodbye.